Hey everyone, I'm back with another episode, and this one is about Diatomaceous Earth powder. Stay till the end to learn more about benefits and dosages. So DE comes from the cell walls of fossilized single-celled diatoms. Essentially, it is a fossil that has been ground into a very fine powder. There are two types: food grade, only use this one for health purposes, and industrial grade, which is toxic, so do not use the industrial grade. Only the food grade diatomaceous earth powder, please. It should be a creamy to white color. DE carries a strong negative charge, which attracts and absorbs positively charged pathogens such as viruses, fungi, bacteria. And heavy metals, prescription drug residues, parasites, and radiation into its cylindrical structure, sweeping them out of your body. DE is also very hard, so it scrubs residue built up along the digestive tracts. Due to its sharpness, organisms such as parasites are sliced up, killed, and completely swept away. Inside the body, DE is heated and charged by the body's own electrical system. DE kills all forms of parasites living in the digestive system and removes the biofilm that protects them. It removes harmful substances from the body, such as aluminum and heavy metals, leaving only beneficial bacteria behind. Anything foreign is removed by DA. DA contains 20 trace minerals. It is made up of 84% to 95% of opal silica, which is a desiccant. This is why it's essential to drink half of your body weight in water every day while you're using it. So as soon as you have a glass of water with DE in it, then you have to drink another one and continue this throughout the day. So salt water is best to drink with, and also add electrolytes to help increase hydration. Life cannot exist without silica. Healthy bones, teeth, skin, hair, and nails all need silica. DE also contains a large amount of calcium, so it should not be used if you have high calcium levels. Only use food-grade DE. Go slow and build up your tolerance. Start with 1 teaspoon mixed into water and drink it. You can also add it to smoothies or juices. Follow with another cup of water. Slowly increase this to twice daily, then gradually increase the dose up to 1 tablespoon, and then gradually increase the dose up to 3 times a day. There is no rush, take it slow. Pregnant and breastfeeding mothers can safely use DA. Just ensure adequate water intake throughout the day. DE is also safe for children, but it's in smaller doses. It tastes unpleasant, like dirt, so it can be mixed into smoothies, juices, or combined with honey or coconut water. So let's talk about the benefits. Here is the good part. Benefits. It balances the body and digestive system. Helps fibromyalgia patients, because fibromyalgia is linked to opal silica deficiency. Research calcium deposits caused by silica deficiency. It also lowers blood pressure, lowers cholesterol levels. Within a month you can have already results. Provides natural parasite protection. Improves nutrient absorption and reduces fatigue. Promotes faster hair and nail growth. Reduces wrinkles, age spots, and acne. Supports metal detoxification, including mercury from fillings. Lowers the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Repairs and maintains lung function, reduces coughing. Helps prevent kidney stones and osteoporosis. Decreases vertigo, tinnitus, and insomnia. Regulates bowel movements, reduces gastrointestinal inflammation, and cleans the colon. Helps both diarrhea and constipation. It also treats head lice and fleas. If you like my content, please subscribe to the channel now and like this video or share so I know that this is a popular topic. In the meantime, check out my video about frozen castor oil pills here. See you in the next one.